Welcome to a journey through time, where we uncover the harrowing tales of the 10 worst environmental disasters caused by human actions. Brace yourself for heart-wrenching stories of devastation and the lasting impacts on our world. Number 1. Chernobyl Disaster, 1986. Our journey begins with the Chernobyl disaster. In the dead of night, an explosion rips through the Chernobyl Nuclear Power Plant, releasing a lethal cloud of radioactive material into the atmosphere. This catastrophe claimed the lives of 31 brave firefighters and plant workers, with long-term effects estimated to have caused thousands of deaths due to radiation-related illnesses. Number 2. The London's Killer Fog, 1952. The London Killer Fog, also known as the Great Smog of 1952, was a severe air pollution event that enveloped London, England. It occurred from December 5 to December 9, 1952. The fog, combined with coal-burning emissions and weather conditions, resulted in a deadly smog that caused an estimated 12,000 premature deaths and left thousands more suffering from respiratory issues. Number 3. Bhopal Gas Tragedy, 1984. In December 3, 1984, a Union Carbide India Limited pesticide plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, India, accidentally released a deadly chemical fog, which killed more than 5,000 people. They were victims of fatal poisoning by an isocyanate, pesticide, gas. More than 50,000 people went through treatment due to exposure to the gas. Proponents claim the gas leak has claimed an additional 20,000 lives since. It is regarded the worst industrial chemical disaster ever. 4. Exxon Valdez oil spill, 1989. The tranquil waters of Alaska's Prince William Sound transform into a blackened nightmare as the Exxon Valdez tanker runs aground, spilling over 11 million gallons of crude oil. Research categorizes it as one of the most destructive human-caused environmental disasters. The instant outcome was the deaths of 100,000 to as many as 250,000 seabirds, at least 2,800 sea otters, 300 harbor seals, 247 bald eagles, and 22 orcas, an unidentified number of salmon and herring. Number 5. Minamata Disease, 1956 to 1968. Minamata, Japan, becomes synonymous with tragedy as a hidden killer lurks within its waters. The Chiso Corporation's industrial discharge, contaminated with methylmercury, infiltrates the food chain, poisoning humans and marine life alike. Minamata disease emerges, claiming lives and leaving victims to suffer from debilitating neurological disorders. It serves as a chilling reminder of the far-reaching consequences of toxic pollution. 6. Gulf War oil spill, 1991. Amidst the chaos of war, an environmental nightmare unfolds. The Gulf War witnesses a deliberate act of ecological sabotage as oil-filled tankers are deliberately released into the Persian Gulf. An estimated 240 to 336 million gallons of oil coat once thriving marine habitats, suffocating marine life and crippling local economies. It's a stark reminder of how conflicts can ravage both lives and nature. 7. Love Canal contamination, 1978. In Niagara Falls, New York, an unsuspecting community becomes a pawn in the deadly game of chemical waste disposal. Love Canal, once a toxic landfill, seeps into the homes and lives of its residents. The consequences are devastating: birth defects, cancer, and long-term health issues. The world witnesses the chilling reality of unchecked industrial waste and the innocent lives it destroys. 8. Deepwater Horizon oil spill, 2010. Deep beneath the shimmering surface of the Gulf of Mexico, an oil rig known as the Deepwater Horizon falls victim to a catastrophic explosion. Over the following months, millions of gallons of crude oil gush into the ocean, suffocating marine life and staining once pristine coastlines. The death toll includes countless seabirds, sea turtles, and marine mammals, while the fishing and tourism industries suffer immeasurable losses. Number 9. Cuyahoga River Fire, 1969. In the heartland of America, a river burst into flames, sparking a nationwide wake-up call. The Cuyahoga River Fire exposed the dire consequences of unchecked pollution. This fiery event led to stricter regulations and marked a turning point in environmental awareness. Number 10. Fukushima Nuclear Disaster 2011. In 2011, a devastating earthquake and tsunami struck Japan, setting the stage for a nuclear nightmare. The Fukushima Daiichi Nuclear Power Plant experienced a meltdown, releasing a wave of radioactive material into the environment. This disaster not only claimed lives but also left a lasting impact on health, agriculture, and the environment, reminding us of the risks associated with nuclear energy. These 10 environmental disasters stand as haunting reminders of the devastating impact humans can have on our planet. Let us learn from these tragedies, protect our environment, and forge a better future. Like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness and inspire positive change.